Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money into Fidelity Investments. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you want to add funds to your Fidelity account so you can invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or other investment products, Fidelity makes it easy to move money from your bank account directly into your investment account. To get started, log into your Fidelity Investments account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Transfers tab near the top of the screen. This is where Fidelity allows you to move money between accounts, deposit funds, and manage transfers. Click on Transfers to continue. On the next page, you will be asked to select the source of the funds. This is the account the money will be transferred from. If you have already linked a bank account to your Fidelity profile, it will appear in the list of available options. Select the bank account you want to use. If you have not connected a bank account yet, Fidelity will guide you through the process of linking and verifying one before you can make a transfer. After choosing the funding source, you will need to select the Fidelity Investments account that will receive the money. Depending on the accounts you have with Fidelity, you may see a brokerage account, retirement account, cash management account, or other investment accounts. Choose the account where you want the funds to be deposited. Next, enter the amount of money you would like to transfer into Fidelity Investments. The platform may display your available transfer limits and any relevant account information. Carefully enter the amount you want to deposit and verify that the details are correct before moving forward. Once you have entered the transfer amount, click Continue. Fidelity will then display a review page summarizing the transaction. You will be able to see the bank account providing the funds, the Fidelity account receiving the deposit, and the amount being transferred. Review everything carefully to ensure there are no mistakes. If all the information is correct, click the Submit button to finalize the transfer. After submitting the request, Fidelity will provide a confirmation number for your records. In most cases, you will also receive a confirmation email indicating that the transfer request has been successfully received and is being processed. Depending on your bank and the transfer method used, it may take some time for the funds to appear in your Fidelity Investments account. Once the deposit is completed, the money will be available according to Fidelity's funding and settlement policies, allowing you to begin investing or adding to your existing portfolio. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.